Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can add a logo on your WordPress website or how you can change the logo if there is already one. Let's start. It's very easy to do it. Every theme has its own settings, but the rest are the same. For example, to edit the logo, we have to customize the theme. We have two ways to customize the theme. One is if we go here to Appearance and then go to Customize this. And the other way to customize the theme is by going to the front end. Let's go to the front end. This site is empty, as you can see, but here you can see there is the customize option. So we click the customize, and these two options are bringing us on the same place to customize the theme. So here there are some options that you can see, and you can actually understand the most of them by reading them what they are doing. To add the logo or edit it or change it, we have to go to the header, because here is the header. Okay, so here there is a header. We click on it, and then here there are some options: general, header media, logo, menu, because there will be also a menu here on this side, social menu and mobile menu. What we want is the logo option. So we click on the logo, and then you see here it says logo and select logo. You have to click on this, and then we have to upload it. Or if there is already installed on the media library, you can choose it by going here, clicking media library, and choose it here. But this time is empty. On your website maybe is already uploaded another logo that you want to add. So we have these two options. Let's upload the logo, upload files, and then select files. And then here I have created some logos just for the video. So I will click the logo 1. Okay, it's uploaded. Something that I want to give you an advice is that the logo always has to be on the rectangular shape and not square or something else, because the header is on a rectangular direction, okay? It's not vertical. So we have to have the logo in this shape. A nice dimension for the logo is about 500 to 150, okay? But you can see this, it's not standard. It depends your logo. And another suggestion for your logo is to not have so much text or not so many icons and text together. Like, keep it simple. The logo has to not say the story of your site, but has to be memorable and easy to be recognized and understood, okay? So let's click here, select. We have the option to crop it. If it was not already made, we could crop it here, but for me it's already made this size, so I will just click skip cropping. Otherwise you can crop it. Let's do it like that, show you how you know how to crop it. Let's say we want to bring it a bit closer. Let's say that's it. Okay, so then you click crop image. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. And now your logo has been added, and as you can see it is too big, but you have the option to make it smaller or make it bigger if it was too small. To change the size of the logo, here there is the max width and the max height. So we take it here, the bar, and we can make it small or big. What I suggest you is to make it so big. You see, if you make it too big, it starts to extending the header. Now, you see it? Let's do it like that so you can see this is important. I make it bigger, but at one point here, it will start to extend the header here. Okay? It's extend the header. So make sure you don't make it so big that it will extend the header. It has to be nice and aesthetic. Okay, let's say that for this logo and for this website, something like that, or a bit smaller, is okay. Let's say like that. Okay, we like it. We click publish, and that's it. Our logo has been added and saved. Now, something which is very important is that we want to make sure that the logo looks nice on all devices. Okay, because most of the people are visiting our websites from mobile and also tablets, so we want to make sure that the logo looks nice also there. So here there is an option. It shows the desktop icon, but if you click the desktop icon, it gives you also two more options like the tablet and the mobile. So let's click the tablet. It looks good. It will be a little bit smaller if it will be better if it will be a bit smaller. So something like that, it's good for me. Okay, and let's go to mobile. It's too big for the mobile, but something that I want to tell you, many times it looks big here, but in reality, if you check it from your phone, it doesn't look big. So for the mobile, I suggest you to go based on the reality, how it looks on your device. So you have to load your website on your mobile and then check it, and at the same time fix it from here. So until you find the correct size, because I have seen many times that it looks very big here like that, and you think like, oh, it's not good, it's too big, but on the mobile it looks okay. So for this you have to make sure to check it from the mobile, from the real device. Okay, so now we'll click publish. Let's say this is what we want, and actually that's it. To exit this, we have to click just the X here, and everything is good. If we refresh the page, the logo stays there. So let's say now you want to replace it. It's very easy. I will show you fast how to replace it. The same procedure. You click customize, then you click again header, logo. Then here there are two options: remove or change logo. Let's say you want to change logo, or remove is the same, but we want to add a new logo. So change logo. Here you see two copies, because one was the original on the right and one was the cropped. If you remember, we crop it. So always remember to delete the original because you don't want it anymore, and keep the cropped version of your logo. Now we want to upload a new one. We'll go again to upload files and then select files and then go to logo 2. That's why I have two logo here, to show you how you can change it. Okay, is choose here. You see, we can choose which one you want. Okay, now we choose the new one and then click select. You can crop it or not. Let's say this, we don't crop it. We say skip cropping, and now the new logo has been added. And because we had set already the size, and this logo, it was same size with the other logo, we don't need to do anything. We just click publish and it has been completed. Then click X to close it, and everything is fine. If you find value on this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel so you watch more videos about WordPress and make money online, and also let me know in the comments below if you have any other suggestions and any other topics that you want me to cover. And I will see you in another video. Bye bye.